Spider.
And Doom Dynamite. You're probably wondering why we're wearing masks.
Oh, we're opening up.
Look at this rotten pumpkin.
Yeah,
It's squishy. Like you can do this and sink your finger in.
Yeah.
He has gloves because he's going to be doing the thing because he's the main character, obviously.
Yeah, I gotta go get a knife.
Make sure to cut it right here, okay, so the audience can see. Or I'll just be the cameraman. So, I'll just do something. Oh. It's actually locked.
So guys,
I just locked it because of Bella.
Oh, okay.
What?
So, guys, we're gonna be getting new costumes. If you saw the Lemon video, you would know, or you probably saw that the costumes and stuff. I think it was the Lemon video. I don't remember. Anyways, it's gonna be I'm getting a new helmet instead. Okay. Now I'll be the cameraman. Now we're gonna watch.
oh guys, it's so hard to. You know, I'm cutting it.
Why don't you just hit it with a? Oh! Oh, so gross.
There's cotton inside. Luckily we have masks so we don't breathe this. I wonder how it smells.
Yeah. Probably shouldn't cut the hard part. Try right there.
Right here?
Here.
Oh no, this is gonna be so gross.
Don't worry. We sort of know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Oh, so gross. I want to hit it with a hammer, honestly. Oh, look at the insides, guys.
Yeah. I can smell it.
Are you done? Are you done? Yeah. Okay.
You know, I'm just gonna.
Super Spider versus Rotten Pumpkin. I wonder who's gonna win.
Probably.
The Rotten Pumpkin. I'm just joking. What are you doing? He literally missed. He's sort of littering, actually.
Oh, this is so gross. This is.
Also, guys, do you like my new hat? We don't have merch yet.
I'm not getting any food.
Oh, so ew, gross. I smell it.
Me too. Me too.
Hold on, you hold the camera and show them. I'll actually no. Okay, hold on. Let me hold the camera, face them at the pumpkin and stuff. Can I use the gloves? No.
You're gonna cut it?
Yes. Okay. Okay, hold the camera. Guys, if you can see, I'm gonna be jamming this pumpkin like it's no tomorrow.
Yeah. Of course we're gonna throw this in the garbage, because we wouldn't.
Anyways, watch.
Oh no.
Oh!
I'm scared. Oh, look at.
By the way, guys, this was his idea.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Whoa! Oh my goodness, don't yet. Look at that little piece. And he looks like a worker.
No! Oh,
Sweet.
this is one of the worst.
Do this. Just cut it, actually. Oh, look inside at the seeds. The seeds are kind of gross. No, look at the seeds. We're going to look at the...
Yes, I see the seeds.
Nope.
Okay, I think we're done. Okay, guys.
Nope. No, I'm cutting. I'm cutting again.
Okay, he's going to be cutting again.
Are you
There's
ready?
not much to see, honestly.
Yeah,
You know what? I think we should end the video.
Yeah.
We don't want it to be too long. Actually, it's gonna end itself soon. So
Okay.
okay, we're gonna have to go, guys.
Wait, first
A couple more.
This is the
Jab it
last.
like it's no tomorrow.
Okay. Peace, guys.
Okay, peace.